My name is Albert Van Cleek, and I live in Johnston County, North Carolina. I noticed a soft spot on the kitchen floor, and then over about a 2-week period, there began to be a sag in the floor. I noticed along the molding and in the floor area and in the ceiling, and so I knew it had to be addressed before it got worse. They were very thorough right from the beginning when I met with the gentleman who came to look at it initially and to give me an estimate on what the cost would be and identify what the problem was. And he was very thorough, explained everything really very well in terms of what your product was and how it worked. And I felt very confident in going forward and proceeding from that point. And then the two gentlemen who came to actually do the work were just really great in explaining what they were going to do. I was amazed at how quickly it got done, and they were also very respectful of my space. Cleaned up afterwards, didn't leave anything behind at all that I needed to address, and the floor feels more solid than when I bought the house. I would highly recommend Southeast Foundation Repair, and if I need more work in the future, I will definitely come back.